Good morning, beautiful people. It is 2 days past my 27th birthday, and I am going to throw together a quick video to show y'all what we've been up to. Starting with one van. And two vans. And we're in this awesome creative space called Lavender Moon Spaces, where it's just basically a creative space to create music, to create builds, to create art, to create videos. I'm here about to edit a video for y'all. And yeah, Phil's pumping out conversions. So if you need one done, contact us for sure. But yeah, this is my office for the day. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what we've been up to. Come on. Good morning, beautiful people. So if you were following along, yesterday morning we woke up in San Diego to a parking ticket, which was completely unfair, and there was no sign, so we're gonna fight that. But tonight, well, last night we woke up to a city full of lights, and it was really beautiful. And this morning, the fog is rolling in. This is our view. We're on top of San Diego. You know, no big deal. But just trust in the universe is what that shows you. You could go from a really rough morning to a really next day that is great, beautiful. Views like this. Campground, well, a BLM spot, and we were talking a lot of shit on how the review said you needed a 4x4, and we're like, you don't need a 4x4, and we're cruising through the dirt road, and now we're both stuck in the fucking sand. So yeah, I'll show you him. Like, we're actually stuck for 5 minutes. I'm in reverse, I'm not going anywhere, as you can see. Still not where he's kind of just stuck. Yeah, it's an extra test from the universe this week. So it's dark now, and this is currently what Crystal looks like from being stuck. We've been pulling her back and forth. This awesome couple came by and helped us, and yeah, so she's pretty much stuck for the night. I'm gonna leave a sign on her. This is fucking wild. It's my last trip with her, and she had to be dramatic and definitely make it worth it. This is something. So yeah, van's here. We got the bus a little bit unstuck and made it up the road, and tomorrow when it's light we'll try to resume. Wish us luck. So this is what the bus looks like. From everything going everywhere. Van's still stuck. So we just woke up to find another vehicle. You can't really see it from here. Stuck. Let's see. There it is. We're not really sure if it attempted to go around my van or how, but it's also stuck. So how many stuck now?
Well, only two, because the bus isn't stuck.
Anymore.
Yeah, because I self-recovered it like a legend. I don't know how this thing came off.
Is that all you have to say about the situation?
Legend.
Okay, bye, Legend. Now what do we have to do? We have to fucking get it out. So, update on the stuck van. We went and found a shovel, which we borrowed from the couple that helped us last night. And then another old man came with his shovel, and for about an hour or so, Phil and the man tried digging the van out. And how'd that go, Phil?
We completely dug out everything underneath the van, about 1.5 feet deep, and we were like, yep, this should be sweet. We jammed some plywood underneath the tires, still no good. So we're going for a walk. We're trying to find someone with a four-wheel drive and hopefully a snatch strap or a chain, because all the van needs at the moment just needs to be snatched backwards. So we're going for a walk.
We just came to this first ranch that we found, and there's no people on it, so there's teepees though. We're gonna venture onward. Whoa, there's the guys. Kinda out of breath. We started running because we went to go find a ranger station, and Phil and I were like, it'd be really sweet, someone with a strap who likes to off-road drove by and had a strap. So an Impreza drove by. We asked if they had a strap. They said yeah. So they just drove in. They're here to assess the situation, and I'm walking back. Wish me luck. All right, we're gonna try to use this badass looking off-roading vehicle to get the van out. We fucking did it! The van is out thanks to the Subaru and these awesome people who came and helped us. Holy shit, we are out. Car 3. That was honestly the most badass thing I've ever fucking done. I have an adrenaline rush. So does she. And we're just gonna wait in this car for everybody else. This puppy reminds me of my dog Crystal. It's just white. It's a Maltese poo. Hello, bud. Alright, we got all 3 vehicles out that were stuck. The silver one in the back. Bus, myself, we're stuck. We're out. This is from when we floored the bus out.
If in doubt, throttle out.
So what happened? Explain the situation.
From what part? We got the van out.
With what?
Using a badass Subaru Impreza that was jacked up on like all-terrain tires that had like steel rear bar, front bar. It was pretty dope. So we managed to get that. We snatched the van out backwards. So that was sweet. The problem we had was the bus was, because I self-recovered onto the other side of the soft sand. So I had to turn the bus around on the hard stuff and then gun it, keep my momentum up and gun it through the soft stuff, which I did. The problem was, because we dug the van out, there was like at least a foot, maybe 1.5 feet, would you say, Amanda?
It was like, I could...
Yeah, it was like knee high where I dug down all the way underneath the van.
Sorry, Erica, we love you.
So the van got out safely. but I had this big ditch after all the soft stuff, this big ditch to bump through. So I gunned it about, what, 15, 20 mile an hour is all I could get up to before hitting the soft stuff. And I started to like bog through the soft stuff. And I said, here comes the bump! The front end went down, that was fine. And then the front end bumped up. Then the back end came down and bumped up. It broke the bar that holds all, like the closet bar, rack thing, whatever you want to call it. That shit bouncing around everywhere, but we got out! Yeah!
We just got all of them out.
Yeah, and then we got the crawler out as well. That just took manpower. A few of us pushing, we put Amanda in the driver's seat and got her to gun it while we all pushed.
It was fun.
So, good day, good day's work.